Ito si Capasio. Nakita si Santos na kumakat sa loob. Baseline drive by Randy Santos. Pasok na naman. Alaska looking for game number 3. Ruel Gomez. Hindi pumasok ang 3-point shot. Bong Rivera, forward to Dindo po pa rin. Binigay kay Randy Santos. Wala, pero merong foul na tatawagin. Edmund Reyes. Reyes labas ulit kay Glenn. Glenn with a jumper. Yes! Russell na naman yan, sumaksak sa loob. Inabot kay Jericho Dinero off the glass. 14 na naman, nakabante ng Pure Foods 64-50.
10 turnovers yung Alaska, 9 for Pure Foods.
Samantala, ang ganda naman ang pasa ni Capasio. Barrientos. Ang hirap naman ang ginawa ni Johnny. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, back here at the Araneta Coliseum, would like to say good evening again sa lahat po ng ating mga taga-subaybay sa buong Pilipinas at mga taga-suporta po ng PBA. Ito na naman, medyo exciting na naman po nangyayari dito. Marami nagsasabi nung umpisa bago mag-umpisa itong larong to, the past couple of days, naku, isusweep na ng Alaska yan. Kayang-kaya pala ang Pure Foods. Well, sa kasalukuyan po mga kaibigan, palagay ko panay ang lunok ng mga tao yun sapagkat 17 puntos po ang abante ng Pure Foods over Alaska as we start the third quarter. Ngunit, mahabang-mahaba pa po itong laro ito. Wala pa po tayong kalahati malayo pa po tayo sa katapusan ng laro ito. Kaya wala po tayong masasabing pinal para sa kahihinatnan ng larong ito, pero ni-score si Ruben De La Rosa sa ilalim. Kinito.
Nakawala sa baseline and Alaska now trying its version of the half-court trap and Pure Foods managing to break it. Nakawala ito si De La Rosa sa baseline.
Biggest lead in the ball game, 19 points by Pure Foods.
Well, kanina sa ating halftime analysis, binanggit natin ito si Johnny Barrientos with 4 points. Check that, he has only scored 2 points in this game. At saka si Jojo Lastimosa blanked in the second period. Kaya nagkakaroon ng scoring drought itong Alaska.
Well, karamihan sa kanila kanina, nadinig natin, sabi nila, ang iisipin daw nila, game 1 pa lang ito. Pero malayong-malayo po ito kung nangyari sa game 1.
Well, bukas na bukas yung depensa ng Alaska that time. And 2 inside shots by Pure Foods to open this second half. Nakita naman natin nung first half, napakaganda ng shooting ng Pure Foods sa labas.
Pero ito si Coach Wilio, talaga naman panay-panay pa rin ang pag-atake sa ilalim. Napakaganda ng kanyang pagpupwesto during the offense of Alaska Milk. So naibaba na naman niya sa 17 ang alamang ng Pure Foods. Umabot mo sa 19, kanina lamang. Glenn Capasio. Sinagasaan si Carriazo. Oy, pumasa pa. Dapat yung tinuloy na lang niya.
Yes, poor decision on the part of Capasio. He was already in mid-air. Dapat tinuloy na lang niya. Yung
tira.
Shot, yung tira.
17-point lead by Pure Foods, 56-39. Johnny Abarrientos sinasalubong ni Olsen Rosera. Quino back to Abarrientos. Nilabas pa kay Hawkins. Hawkins naman, labang kay Cordillera. Wala ba may gusto tumira? Ako na lang, sabi ni Jeffrey.
That's a tough shot by Jeffrey Carriazo. Napakatindi nung interior defense of Pure Foods. Still was able to get off that medium ranger.
Capasio open shot. Wala. Edmund Reyes ang lakas ng rebound na yun. Sumabit si Bong Hawkins. And so a foul is called on him. That is only the first personal foul for Bong Hawkins in this ball game.
So ito ang balita. Ito si Edmund Reyes. Ang tawag niya, at tawag sa kanya ng kanyang mga kakampi sa Pure Foods, taong bato. And he has a very solid physique. At yan ang ginagamit niya to be able to box out the Alaska rebounders.
Masakit yan. Capasio with a 3-point shot. Wala. Hawkins with a power rebound. Binigay kay Johnny Abarrientos.
Walang pagkakataon nitong Alaska to score in transition. Back in the first half, 0 point on fast breaks itong Alaska. 8 points yung Pure Foods.
Hawkins tulabas kay Lastimosa. Abarrientos at the corner. 3 seconds on 2 seconds on the shot clock. Lastimosa. Wala. Pero nakuha na Abarrientos ang offensive rebound. Balik kay Lastimosa. Yes! Nakakuha na niya. Sabi niya, ito pala allowance nito. Ito pala ang break nung kanyang bola. Kanya kuhang-kuha niya.
Sabi niya, ilalapit ko ng bola.
Edmund Reyes. Ruben De La Rosa's pass. Jericho Dinera. Oops. At napik yung bola. Inside pass ni De La Rosa, nabitawan. Capasio fighting for it. Capasio underneath. De La Rosa, 2 seconds on the shot. Pinasa pa. Uy! Big break. Meron pong foul. Wala na yung 24-second shot clock. Magbabuzzer na sana. Bigla may natawag na foul kay Jojo Lastimosa, third personal. Ito,
Yes,
magulo
scrambling.
itong sequence. Magulo. Napakasikip po sa loob. At ito, alas mga 3 seconds na lang ito sa shot clock. Pero ayun ang foul.
Well, pinasa pa ni De La Rosa.
Oo.
Napakabuenas naman ng Pure Foods at nakakuha pa sila ng foul from Alaska.
Talaga. Ika nga new lease on life yan. Lamang pa rin sila pero 13 na lang. Kanina po, umabot ng 19 ito.
Yan ang double team kay Jericho Diniera. Didn't get the shot.
Then Capacio's tap lands in the hands of Johnny Abarrietos. Fast break play by Alaska. Uy, nag-alangan si Hawkins. Nakuha ni Capacio ang bola. Capacio, umaatake ngayon para sa Pure Foods. 3-on-3. Capacio tuloy-tuloy sa loob. Nabitawan. It goes out of bounds in favor of Pure Foods.
Both teams missing opportunities to score from close range. Feel na feel mo ang pressure, ha?
Oo, talaga. 8 minutes and 10 seconds remaining in the third. 13-point lead by Pure Foods. Tatawagan na naman ang illegal defense ng Alaska. Pero 4 na beses na po yan na tinatawagan ang Alaska. Pero kung di ako nagkakamali, doon sa tatlong free throw na binigay sa kanila, dalawa yata ang mintis eh. Kaya natin, si Glenn Capasio kanina nagbintis ito sa technical free throw on illegal defense.
Oh, nagbintis na naman. Well, kanina, ito si Anthony Suntay, sabi nga niya, hindi siya pinapasok sa loob ng dugout ng Alaska.
Oo.
Kanya, well, speculation. Ano kaya ang pinag-usapan ng Alaska sa loob ng dugout? Ano kaya ang sinabi ni Coach Tim Cohn? Palagay ko, isa sa mga sinabi niya, yung nangyari sa 1990 when Alaska went up ahead 2-0 against Pure Foods. Tapos natalo pa sila.
Oo.
Ravenna now in double figures.
Bong Ravenna gives Pure Foods another 15-point spread at 58-43. 7 minutes and 43 seconds remaining in the third period. Pochuino lamang kay Jericho Diniera, nilabas kay Jeffrey Carriazo. Carriazo trying to get by Bong Ravenna. And referee Ernie De Leon calls a foul on Bong Ravenna. That'll be his third personal dito po sa larong ito.
Mas may intensity ang Pure Foods.
Oh, kitang-kita.
As you can see here, opening the second half.
Ito kasi mahirap din itong sitwasyon ngayon ng Alaska dahil naghahabol sila eh. Medyo kung minsan namamadali. Pero ito si Johnny Abarrietos. Uy!
Blanca ni Jericho Diniera.
Oo.
No opportunity for Johnny Abarrietos na flying A.
Maganda yung ginawa niya rito. Atras abante. Umabante, umatras. Pagkatapos sumaksak. Akala niya thrown off guard na yung mga depensa ng Pure Foods. Pero Jerry stayed with the shot.
Well, long arm dito si Jericho Diniera. Remember, he blocked it from behind. Johnny Abarrietos.
Yung hit ni Pochuino. Uy, pang-apat na yan ni Bong Ravenna. And he has been sizzling in this ball game for Pure Foods. He's got 10 points evenly spread out in the 3 quarters that we played so far. 2.5.
Well, a major handicap for Coach Shotres is yung foul situation.
Oo.
If his stalwarts get into foul trouble, that will be bad news. Especially since undermanned ang Pure Foods tonight.
Well, kita natin doon si Jericho Diniera. Medyo nag-ingat doon sa depensa kay Bongo Hawkins. Siguro medyo natakot din. Although Jerry's not in any trouble foul-wise. Ravenna's open. Masyado malakas. At nakuha ng Alaska ang bola. Johnny Abarrietos.
Well, napapansin natin na Alaska is now doubling on Jericho Diniera at low post at every opportunity. And they will score the basket plus the bonus.
Yes, bagsakan po si Pochuino at si Olsen Racela. At ang tinawagan ng foul, si Edmund Reyes.
Yes, and they will give an extra shot. Diba nangyayari?
Ito, si Pochuino nga ang bibigyan ng extra shot. Samantalang si Bong Ravenna naman na meron ng 4 personal fouls is brought back to the bench by Rodney Santos.
Wala yung tawag na yun parang 3-point play opportunity for Alaska. Of course, it was Wino who was fouled and that's why he's taken the bonus free throw instead of Jojo Lastimosa.
Alam mo, dito sa game na to, kinito, napapansin ko ito si Pochuino, one of the more composed players sa Alaska Milk. Even when Pure Foods was starting its blitzkrieg. Parang si Poche talagang kalmang-kalma. Samantala, Capasio. Binigay kay Edmund Reyes. Reyes labas ulit kay Glenn. Glenn with a jumper. Yes! Matindi ginagawa ni Glenn
Yes.
Capasio. 10 points na ngayon.
And that was a clutch shot because nakita natin, again, may pressure defense yung Alaska. And by the time Pure Foods brought the ball up court, less than 10 seconds to go to shoot.
Narito si Jojo Lastimosa. Oops! Crossover dribble. Nakuha ni Edmund Reyes. Binigay kay Olsen Rosella. Rosella in the front court.
Partner, very patient itong Pure Foods. Hindi
Yes.
sila nagmamadali.
Ito, sineset up muna ni
Yes.
Rosella yung offense.
They had an opportunity to run transition but electing to play half court.
Padilla, nilabas kay Reyes. Edmund Reyes. Off to Capasio. Sumaksak sa loob. Laban kay Hawkins. Oh, acrobatic shot! Kanina po, bumabantay sa kanya yung kanyang nakakontrobersiya na si Bong Hawkins. Nilagpasan ni Capasio at nakakuha siya ng foul. Meron tayong timeout. Okay mga kaibigan, napapanood niyo naman yung mascot ng Alaska. Ang pangalan po nito Ikaw. Ayun ang kanyang pangalan, Ikaw.
Ikaw at ako? O hikaw?
Ikaw at Singsing. Okay, mga kaibigan, sa kasalukuyan po nasa third quarter tayo ng labanang ito ng Alaska Pure Foods. Game number 3 of the finals of the 1996 All-Filipino Cup. Ang ating pong score, 61-48, lamang ng 13 ang Pure Foods. Isa pa para kay Glenn Capasio.
Well, malaking bagay na ang contribution ni Glenn Capasio in this game considering that in game number 1, 0 siya. Remember, he was thrown out in that game back in the third period. Tapos in game number 2, he had to sit out because of the suspension.
Tama. At ito naman, pagbalik naman niya rito sa game 3, talaga naman bumabawi itong si Glenn Capasio. Samantala.
Now you notice that dalawa na ang point guard ni Coach Tim Cohn on the floor. Si Reyes at saka si Abarientos.
Ayun.
And I think one big reason why Cohn made this adjustment is to get Abarientos to score some more.
Yes.
He has not been able to contribute too much in offense from the point guard position. Now he will be shifted to off guard and perhaps there will be more scoring opportunities for the Flying A.
Well, si Glenn Capasio kanina, si Abarientos lang ang bantay niya kaya humihingi ng pasa. Rosella naman yan, sumaksak sa loob. Inabot kay Jericho Tejero off the glass. 14 na naman ang kabante ng Pure Food, 64-50. 4 minutes and 55 seconds remaining. Third quarter action po ito. Whoops! Jun Reyes, naku! Anong nangyari doon?
Well, poor communication. Abarientos medyo minadali niya yung pasa because he was double teamed.
Oo.
Kanya Jun Reyes was not prepared to accept that pass.
14 puntos po ang abante ng Pure Foods dito sa third quarter.
Well, pag-usapan natin yung turnovers. Ed, back in the first half, 10 turnovers yung Alaska, 9 for Pure Foods.
Samantala, ang ganda naman ang pasa ni Capasio. At umabot na po sa 16 na naman ang abante ng Pure Foods, 66-50. Bong Hawkins, inside. Abarientos. Ang hirap naman ang ginawa ni Johnny. Napayungan siya sa ilalim, nilabas niya. Sabay pihit.
Palagay ko meron ng green light ito si Johnny Abarientos to score.
Aba, si Edmund Reyes naman ngayon.
Oo.
Ang kumikinang para sa Pure Foods TJ Hotdogs.
Well, Rosella made that play possible. Spark plug ito si Olsen Rosella. And he's playing with a lot of adrenaline and it's very, very contagious.
Edmund Reyes has 8 points in the game. 16 na naman ang abante ng Pure Foods. Johnny Abarientos inside. Oh, binalpal! Si Winyo ni Rodney Santos. Abantala, Olsen Rosella into the front court. Ito si Capasio. Nakita si Santos na kumakat sa loob. Baseline drive by Rodney Santos. Pasok na naman.
And they're looking for the press. Coach Shotres is looking to tear this game open dito sa third period. Well, partner, in a situation like this where Alaska is up 2 games to none, ang gustong gawin ni Coach Shotres is to kill the will to win of Alaska and make Alaska think that anyway meron silang 2-none lead. They can afford to lose this game because they will still be 1 game up. Yan ang gustong gawin ni Coach Shotres. That is his psych tactic.
All right. Glenn Capasio at low post. There's steal by Jun Reyes pero meron pong foul na tatawagin. Kanina pa po humihingi ito si Glenn Capasio ng pasa sa Low post. Dahil ang bantay niya si Johnny Abaredos. Ang foul doon ay si
Capasio.
Capasio mismo. Okay, meron pong timeout si Tim Cone.